Imagine this. You are standing on the surface of a distant world, watching the sun rise over the horizon. Slowly, it climbs into the sky. Then something impossible happens. The sun stops. For a moment, it hangs motionless above you. Then, it begins moving backward, returning toward the horizon, as if time itself has reversed. And just when you think you have lost your mind, it changes direction again and continues its journey across the sky. On Earth, that could never happen. But on Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, this strange phenomenon is completely real. When people think about the solar system, they usually imagine Saturn with its beautiful rings, Jupiter with its giant storms, or Mars, where humans hope to go one day. Mercury is often ignored because it's small, it's gray, and it's covered in craters. From a distance, it looks like nothing more than a lifeless rock, orbiting too close to the Sun. But appearances can be deceiving. Mercury is one of the strangest planets ever discovered. It's a world of impossible extremes, a place where temperatures can melt metal during the day, while at night it becomes colder than Antarctica. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was nothing more than a giant cloud of gas and dust drifting through space. Gravity slowly pulled that material together until a young sun formed. The leftover dust and rock began colliding, sticking together, and eventually formed the planets we know today. Mercury was one of the first of those worlds to take shape, but from the very beginning, it was different. While the other rocky planets developed thick layers of rock surrounding their cores, Mercury ended up with an enormous ball of iron hidden beneath a surprisingly thin crust. Today, scientists estimate that nearly 85% of Mercury's radius is occupied by its iron core, making it unlike any other planet in the solar system. One of the strangest things about Mercury is its day and year. Mercury completes one trip around the Sun in just 88 Earth days, making it the fastest planet in the solar system. But here's the weird part. Mercury rotates very slowly on its axis. One full rotation takes about 59 Earth days. Because of this unusual combination, one solar day, from one sunrise to the next, lasts an incredible 176 Earth days. That means, if you stood on Mercury, you would wait nearly 6 months to see another sunrise. Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, so it becomes scorching during the day, but loses all that heat after sunset. Instead, it has an extremely thin layer of atoms called an exosphere. It's made of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. This layer is so thin that the atoms rarely collide with each other. It offers no protection from radiation, meteor impacts, or the sun's intense heat. Despite being roasted by the sun, Mercury contains water ice. Scientists discovered frozen water inside deep craters near the North and South poles. These craters never receive sunlight because the sun always stays low on Mercury's horizon. Some of these permanently shadowed regions have remained frozen for billions of years. Mercury's surface is covered with thousands of impact craters. The largest is the Caloris Basin, measuring about 1,550 kilometers across. It was created by a massive asteroid impact billions of years ago. The collision was so powerful that it produced mountains and fractures on the exact opposite side of the planet. Mercury is also shrinking. As its interior slowly cools over billions of years, the planet contracts. This causes enormous cliffs, called lobate scarps, to form across the surface. Some are hundreds of kilometers long and over a kilometer high. Scientists estimate Mercury has shrunk by several kilometers since it formed. Mercury is the smallest planet with its own global magnetic field. Mercury has no moons. It also has no rings. It's one of only 2 planets in our solar system without any natural satellites, the other being Venus. The more scientists study Mercury, the stranger it becomes. It reminds us that the solar system isn't just a collection of planets. It's a collection of mysteries, waiting to be understood. And the most surprising part, we've explored only a tiny fraction of Mercury's surface in detail. With new missions and better technology, the next big discovery could completely change everything we know about this mysterious world. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the smallest planet is hiding some of the biggest secrets. If you enjoyed exploring Mercury with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey into the incredible mysteries of space. Until next time.